Good day, Madam and Sir. My name is Jennifer M. Lagrada, 30 years old, single, no kids. I want to work in Hong Kong because I want to help my parents' daily needs and to my brother's tuition. I have to work experience in Saudi from February 2023 to February 2025. My responsibilities is to take care of 1 babies and 2 children. I'm the one to prepare foods daily, feed them, cook them, shower them, and also play with them. When the babies sleep, I'm the one to make my responsibilities like iron and washing the clothes, cleaning the room, and also cooking. I'm a flexible, hardworking, honesty, and responsible to all my job every day. With my future employer, if you hired me, I will do my best to make my job good and also willing to learn with you. Thank you and God bless.